Now our next topic is laws of exponents. In this first 4 I have written the laws of exponents. One by one I will explain you. Now first one, a raised to m into a raised to n. So here if base is same, base over here is a. So if base is same, the exponents can be added. And when you can add, when it is multiplication. Dot means multiplication. Next, power of power, that is a raised to m raised to n. Okay, so double power is there. So when you have the powers like this, that is exponents, then you can just multiply those exponents, that is a raised to m into n. Next, when it is division, this was multiplication, now division. A raised to m upon a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. When it is division, we subtract. When it is multiplication, we add, but the base should be same. Next, if a raised to m into b raised to m, that is powers are same and the base are different, then we can multiply those bases and keep the power same. Okay, now first I have taken one example relating to the first one. Now here 2 raised to 2 upon 3 into 2 raised to 1 by 3. So your base is same, 2 2. So here since this dot is there, that means multiplication will be adding this both the powers. So it will be 2 raised to 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3. Now these are fractions. Now here first you have to see that bases are same in the fraction. Since it is same, you don't have to take any LCM here. So it will be 2 raised to 2 plus 1 upon 3. So it is 2 raised to 3 by 3. Okay. Now here whenever there are two types of sums, one is simplify and another sum is find. Okay. Now simplify means you have to just come up to a number after all cancellation and everything, taking out LCM of the fractions and whatever the reduced form you can bring it, you have to bring that. So that is only simplify. Okay, and when it is asked to you that you have to find something, that means you have to find the value of it. How, I'll tell you. Now this becomes your simplification. Okay, that is you got 2 raised to 1. Now if you have to find value, but here since you are not having any other value here, means if it is here 2, that means you will be writing 2 into 2, that is 4. But here since you are having power only 1, so the answer is 2. So this is the answer for find. Okay, so whenever you are having a question find, means you have to solve it till the end. And when you are having the question simplify, means you have to come up after using these laws and come up to a reduced form. That's it, that is the answer. Okay, here now that is your second law, you can see. So here 3 raised to 1 by 5 into 4. So here simplify means 4 upon 5, that's it. Now here you don't have to find anything. Okay, so here it is just a simplify. Now next we will be using division. So 7 raised to 1 by 5 upon 7 raised to 1 by 3. So when it is division and the base is same, so what will be doing? That is 7 1 by 5 minus 1 by 3. Now here you can see base is not same, so you will be finding LCM first. So here what will be the LCM? 15. So 7 raised to here will be multiplying opposite numbers together. So 1 upon 5 into 3 into 3 minus 1 upon 3 into 5 into 5. Okay, you can see. So what will be getting? That is 7 raised to 3 upon 15 minus 5 upon 15. So you will be getting 7 raised to 3 minus 5 upon 15. So that is 7 raised to minus 2 upon 15. Now why it is minus 2? Because larger number sign is 5 here. So larger number sign is negative. So it will be minus 2 upon 15. Okay. Now I'll be seeing one more sum, that is the last one. So here power is same but the base is not same, so we'll be just multiplying it. 13 into 17 raised to 1 by 5. Okay, so here you will be just finding the value of 13 into 7 raised to 5, that is relating to this fourth one. Okay, so this way you will be solving many other sums. So now please refer exercise 1.6 and try to solve all the sums yourselves. Any queries, please comment below so that I'll come up with any of the solution if you're having any doubt. Okay, thank you.